Si Mami na lang daw itanong.
Alam ko lahat, except yung hindi ko alam.
I think,
yeah, she's very honest. An honest girl. Parang wala naman ako. Kasi tinuwan ko siya si nanay na mahiya sa yung mga bagay na yung mga bata is medyo parang mahiya silang aminin. So may mga stuff na pinagdadaanan na parang for me, sabi ko normal lang. So, in-appeal ko naman.
Hindi ko yan kung sinadjudge.
Yeah.
It's nice to have that kind of relationship. Thank you.
Thank you po.
So nice.
Okay, thank you. And of course, the mommy of Alexa. So sweet.
Okay, handa na siya. Pag may questions kayo, pwede ba tanongin si mommy na lang pala daw, no? Okay. Oo, napakatalito naman si mommy. So pretty, oh. Ang sweet pa ng voice. Bagets na bagets si mommy, oh. Ikaw na yung next mom. Diba? Okay, so other questions? Ayan. Okay, we have a hand here. Okay, so dito na muna. Alright.
Hello. Hi, Ate. Hi, Alexa. Hello. I'm Jenica from Inside Showbiz, One Mega Group. So, sino yung fashion inspiration mo, Alexa? Since this is very rock chick, and then bagong style siya for you, I'm pretty sure meron ka talagang inspiration as per fashion. Sino siya?
I super like po Kendall Jenner.
And good
Si
choice.
Kylie Jenner. Kaso nga lang po, minsan.
Hollywood.
Opo. Sa local po si Georgina Wilson.
Virginia.
Siya ang idol ko sa lahat ng mga bagay, hindi lang sa fashion. Gusto ko po sila Kendall and Kylie, Selena Gomez, Taylor Swift, parang lahat naman po gusto ko. Pero siyempre po minsan may mga suot sila po na hindi pa po sa akin. Opo, to reveal, lalo na si Kylie Jenner. Pero ang galing po kasi niya magdala ng damit. Kaya I idolize her pagdating sa fashion, ang galing niya mag-mix and match.
So classic yung common denominator. Pero you can pull off naman the rock chick style. Influence mo rin ba yung mga fellow artistas mo to try out the style of mom, do you think?
Yes po, yung mga iba ko po kasama sa Love You, minsan po natin nila, anong brand ng damit mo ngayon? Sabi ko, bomb. Sabi nila, ganda may bagay sa'yo. Sabi ko, bili din kayo.
Okay, kanina na-discuss mo na you're studying and then gusto mo talaga makatapos, but at the same time gusto mo i-pursue yung pag-artist and it's also your dream. Someday, pag naka-graduate ka na, ano naman yung other field that you'd like to pursue also, aside from showbiz?
I'd like to be a businesswoman po sana. Para syempre kasi ang pag-artista, hindi naman po yung paghabang buhay. Malay mo, one day magising ka, wala na. So, kailangan lagi po may backup na kuha ng income. So, gusto ko mag-business.
Again, congratulations. Malay mo someday, ikaw na yung maghanap ng ambassadors for your business.
Wow! Thank you! Thank you!
Thank you!
Thank you from Inside Showbiz. So I think we have another question right here at the center.
Hello, Janina. Hello, Alex. Ayan. I'm John from Kumakaw.com. I actually was with you during the campaign shoot. So,
Opo.
okay.
Yes, I remember you.
Okay.
May lighting kasi. Alam mo, Holy Spirit, I was with you.
Alright. Anyway, how was, of course, Bug breaks barriers. You had a chance to also work with people from other channels. You took I think this is like the first photo shoot that you had with Bug. How was the experience and how was it working with the other ambassadors?
Ano muna po, medyo nervous ako. Kasi syempre, first time ko kasama sila. And sa photoshoot ng BOM, so talagang sabi ko, kailangan ko magmukhang okay dito. And pinapractice ko sa bahay ko yung mga pose ko, yung mga expressions ko. Ang una ko nga po tanong nung pagdating ko po dito sa set, sabi ko, pwede mo ba mag-smile? Or bawal? Bawal pala kasi parang rebel na, serious looks, fierce. And the shoot was super fun. Kasi isa po sa mga close friends ko si Bianca Umaling from the other network. Bata pa lang po kami, nagkakasama lang po kami sa mga VTRs, commercials. Kaya tuwa din po ako nung nalaman ko na makakasali ako sa BOM and yung first photoshoot nandun na siya.
Now that alam na ng mga tao, may mga nakakuha ba or nakahuda na ikaw ang next ambassador?
Yes po, kasi may isang picture na naka-black and white po. And actually,